Proxmox and Docker serve different roles in the virtualization ecosystem, so better depends on your use case. Proxmox is a full-featured virtualization platform that manages virtual machines or VMs and LXC containers, ideal for running multiple operating systems and isolating services at the OS level. It's perfect for home labs, enterprise services, or servers, and anyone needing full control over hardware resources, snapshots, and clustering. Docker, on the other hand, is a lightweight containerization tool focused on packaging and deploying applications. It's best for developers and CI/CD pipelines where speed, portability, and resource efficiency matter. Docker containers share the host OS kernel, making them faster and more scalable, but less isolated than VMs. So, use Proxmox if you need full OS virtualization, hardware isolation, or want to run multiple VMs. Use Docker if you are deploying microservices, web apps, or want fast, efficient containers for development.